Hello everyone, nice to see you back. Today, we will learn how to create rectangular duct pipes and cable trays in AutoCAD Plant 3D. This is a very popular topic among Plant 3D users. Let's get started. First, open the necessary project in the Project Manager. Create a new drawing file by clicking the plus icon next to the Start tab. Type the command plant end codes in the command line. Click the Add button. Enter the name and description for the end code as needed. For this video, I will create CT as a new end code. Check the Can Cutback option and click OK. Next, go to Project Setup. Navigate to Plant 3D DWG settings, then Piping Connection settings. Under Simple Joints, click the Add button. Fill in the joint name and joint display name as needed. In the connection settings, select End Type CT for both End 1 and End 2. For fasteners, choose butt weld or bolt set based on your needs. Click the Add button. Finally, click OK to save and exit the project setup. Now, go to the Plant 3D installation folder. The path link is in the notes section of the description. Look for the folder named Square Conduits Sub. In this folder, you will find all the Python scripted rectangular components like pipe, elbow, T, etc. In this video, I will demonstrate creating a pipe and T for one size. You can also create multiple components with different sizes or add sizes later from the catalog. Now, open the spec editor. Go to Tools and select Launch Catalog Builder. Under Catalog Templates, click on Create New. Specify the catalog file name. By default, the path will point to the Program Data folder. If you prefer, you can choose a different path by clicking the three dots button and browsing to the desired location. Select the catalog template unit type. I recommend choosing metric since the default Python scripts are created in metric units. Click OK. Note: if you want to create it in imperial units, additional steps are required. Look for the folder Square Conduit Sub from the path mentioned in the notes section of the description. Make a backup of the original folder. Open each component folder to find an XML file for each component type. Open it in Microsoft XML Notepad. Navigate to the array of script, then to the script node. Locate the length unit property and change it from mm to inch. Next, go to Parameters and update each parameter value to match imperial units. Repeat this for all components you plan to create and use. Let's go back to Catalog Builder. To create a T, click on Fittings in the Catalog Builder dialog box. Expand All. Right-click on T and select New from the context menu. Choose the default parametric T graphics. Fill in the necessary details such as short description, sizes, and long description family. You can create multiple components at the same time in the same way. Note: for pipes, create the component under the Fittings category and Coupling as a piping component. Click the Save button. Then, click the Export to Excel button. Browse to select the desired path and click Save. After exporting, open the Excel file from the chosen path. Right-click on each sheet tab and select Unprotect Sheet from the menu. Now, go to the folder for Square Conduit Sub and open the component folder you want to create. Check for the required shape and its corresponding XML file. Note down or copy the XML file name and paste it into Excel under the Shape Name column as shown in the video. Open the same XML file in Microsoft XML Notepad. Go to Array of Script, then Script Node, and then Parameters. Under Parameters, you will find multiple parameters listed. Check the names of the dimension parameters. Replace the existing parameter names in Excel with those from the XML file as shown in the video. If needed, create a new column for any new dimension parameters in Excel. Next, expand each dimension parameter in the XML file and check its value. Copy the corresponding value to the related dimension parameters in Excel as shown in the video. For pipes, you can also specify the standard pipe length like fixed flange pipes. Note: if you set the TO dimension parameter value to 0, the rectangular duct pipes will be completely closed. To create a rectangular pipe with an open top, similar to those used for cable trays, set the 2 dimension parameter value to 1. Follow the same procedure for any other components you want to create. Save and close the Excel file. Next, open the Catalog Builder in the Spec Editor. Click on Build Catalog, then browse to select the updated Catalog Excel file and click Open. In the Build Catalog dialog, choose whether to add the components to an existing catalog or create a new one. Select Add to Existing to add to the current catalog, or Save as New to make a new catalog. Choose where to save your catalog file, preferably in the AutoCAD Plant 3D content folder on the C drive. Click the Close Builder button and then close the Catalog Builder. Go to the Catalog Editor tab and open the new rectangular duct pipes and cable tray catalog. You will see the created cable trays and rectangular pipes and fittings. Select each component and go to the General Properties tab. In the Connection Port Properties section on the right, check all properties have the same properties. A dialog box will appear asking if you want to overwrite. Select Yes. Set the end type to CT for all ports and fill in the other details under the General Properties and Sizes tab. Finally, open the required project spec and add these components to it. To ensure that rectangular pipes or cable tray components are updated by the Plant Spec Update Check command, simply add the components to the spec and save it. If you want to allow designers to change components directly in the drawing, follow these extra steps. First, double-click on each rectangular pipe component and find the component designation. In the component designation column, enter Custom as shown in the video. Click OK. Keep in mind that the Plant Spec Update Check command won't work for these components. Any updates must be done manually. Next, save the spec. Then, use the Plant Spec Update Check command in the command line. When the confirmation dialog appears, choose to update the recommended pipe specs. In the Home tab ribbon, shuffle the spec under the Part Insertion section as demonstrated in the video to refresh the tool palette's components. Now, you can place the rectangular duct pipes and cable trays from the tool palettes. That's it for today. You've successfully learned how to create your own catalog of rectangular duct pipes and cable trays in AutoCAD Plant 3D. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.